What's up, guys? Welcome back to more BFDI Plush. Now, since Leafy and Woody are the final two, while Fiery and Fire are the eliminated contestants. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what's the iPad doing here, but I'll get that out of here. Anyways, Leafy and Woody, you are the final two. Now let's continue. Intro, please. Alright, Leaf and Woody. The seventh contest is to protect the bluebird from Angry Birds Rio. If you take care of the longest, you win, while the other is also wins. Anyway, so yeah, I'll be watching you right here. Oh, and one more thing, BFB 30 came, right? That's correct. Wow. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, the brothers, Leafin and Fire Jr. are going to react it tomorrow. Well, Alex is going to Philadelphia tomorrow. Yeah, super excited with the Eagles. Hooray. Anyway, it's 3, 2, 1, go. Go away. Wah. Okay, what's your name? My name is Blue from Rio. Or Angry Birds Rio. Oh, okay, time to take care of you. And I can fly. Watch. Woohoo! That's a good bird right here. And I can open doors. Okay, but birds cannot open doors. Except me. I can't open doors. Okay. Oh, excuse me, Bluebird. I'm really hungry. Oh, yeah, I'm taking care of you. Anyways, what food will you want? Chips. I want chips. Are you sure you want chips? Well, it's not good for you. I want chips. Okay, fine. Let's go. Oh, give me some chips. It's too heavy. Oh, but nice landing though. Thank you. Let me eat the chips. Can you quiet down? Whatever. Okay, I'm done. Alright, good. So yeah. Can you fly me back in the kitchen? Cause I'm also hungry. Okay, let's go. Wee. Come on. I need some boots. And I'll get the food right here. Come on. Need boots. Okay, there we go. Wee. Ooh, popcorn. It's not time for popcorn right now. Did I ask you? No. Oh, more. No. Okay. No. 6 hours later. Okay, Pet, I take care of Blue like 6 hours. Nice job. Was he hungry? Yes. Okay, was he thirsty? Yes. Yeah, my name is Blue. We already know. Anyways, Leafy, good job. Well, Woody will take his place. We'll find out. Alright, Blue, what should we do? I would rather watch TV. So yeah, I'll get the remote. Got it. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, now let's watch something. Oh, alright, Woody, now we can watch some TV. Look, we found Nifty Fan 2006. Yeah, we can watch videos on TV. Wah. Now, what do you want? Banana 18 Emoji Edition. Are you sure? Cause it's scary. Okay, let's watch Banana 18. And turn on.
Okay, guys.
Alright, let's watch Banana 18. Wah. Why is there a blue screen of death? We got on the TV. Are you enjoying this? I'll get some popcorn. Wah.
Huh? What is that?
Alright.
We interrupt your Windows 7 for a Barney error. Emoji edition.
Wah, I love this. I try to get popcorn, but there's none. Okay, let's watch this. After watching it. Oh my god, that was so scary at the end. Was it, Woody? Don't worry, I'm afraid of Bonnies too. And Bonnianos. Anyways, let's tell Pen, because we're already done. Hey, where is Pen? Okay, can you watch? Can we? Okay. Oh, I'm right here. Ah! Oh, you scare me. Yes, I'm afraid, Woody, you only take care of him in like 2 hours. Oh, sorry, Woody. Oh, that's okay. You can fly now. Yeah, you can fly away. Okay. Now, both Leafy and Woody win, but that doesn't mean it's not over yet. We have the final two. Leafy and Woody. Who you want to win BFDI Plush? Vote in the comments right now. Vote Leafy or Woody. Vote right now. See you in BFDI Plush 8. Bye.